Welcome to this Lenze video training. In this episode, we explain how to set up alerts using the Cloud Notify feature. To follow along with these steps, you should have already created data sources for your machine. If you need a quick refresh, our video on data sources is linked below. We begin in the Fleet Manager of X4 Remote. Select your IoT gateway from the list to open the settings. For the next part, you need an active data logging license. You can activate a license by navigating to the Licenses tab. Here you can either activate a license code or the free 30-day trial. Once you've activated the Cloud Notify license, there are two areas you can monitor. You can set up alarms for each data source of the machine and for the X500's cloud connections. Let's set up an alarm based on your machine's live data. To do so, expand the data source you want to monitor and select alarm triggers from the list. Set up an alarm by clicking Add Trigger in the lower right corner. Select the variable you'd like to monitor to trigger an alarm. Let's create an alarm when the machine is in an error condition for 24 hours. The state variable critical error is perfect for this. Add a name for the alarm and set the appropriate severity level. Then define the alarm's trigger condition. You can add instructions for resolving the alarm in the instructions field. Finally, set the alarm receivers by specifying an access category. All users of this access category will be notified if the condition defined above is true. Click the Add button to create the alarm. You can also monitor your cloud connections using Cloud Notify. Let's set up connection monitoring in the More tab of the sidebar. Click on Add Notification to add a connection alarm. Select one of the three available connections to monitor: VPN for remote access, configuration for remote setup of your X500, or data logging for storing machine data in the cloud. Set the priority level of the alarm and select the event for which an alarm should be generated. For connection monitoring, this will be establishing or losing a connection. Similar to database alarms, you can specify the access category and instructions for resolving an alarm. Click Add to create the alarm. Your alarm has now been added to the configuration but is not yet active. Before you leave the machine settings, click the Push Config to Device button in the upper right corner to activate the new configuration. You will now be notified once your alarm conditions become true. This concludes our video on setting up alarms using Cloud Notify. To learn more, take a look at our other videos linked below.